3, 2, 1.
We are, let us entertain you. Wow!
Hello. Oh, hi Sophie. Come sit down.
What are you thinking about?
Something just popped up on my mind. I've been thinking about child rights these days. What about you?
I was thinking about that too.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait, if that's so, should we actually go to the cafe to talk more about it?
Yeah, I think it's pretty unfair that childs are being treated unkindly today.
Yeah, I feel like that their own rights have been taken and I feel really sad about it. It's quite miserable that their rights are taken away.
Why don't we go and plan how to stop it?
Exactly. We should go and plan how to stop child rights. Come, let's go to a cafe to talk more about it. Come.
So finally, we can sit at the cafe and talk about child rights.
Exactly. Now we have our own time to discuss about child rights, right, Sophie?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Hey, you, David. Did you hear that?
I did.
Let's go check it
Yeah,
out.
we should.
Hey, David, do you know how much money I spent on those lottery tickets? I spent all my time and money on those lottery tickets, and you could just sell all of them? No excuse, no dream tonight. God, you're just a disappointment.
Wait, what's happening?
Oh my gosh.
Are you okay?
Hey, are you alright?
I'm not allergic.
Can you maybe tell us your name?
David.
Oh, his name is David. You know what? My name is Winnie and you can put your trust on me, okay? I will help you to find your dad and help you solve this problem together, alright? Sophie, can you look after little David?
Yeah, of course.
I will go find his dad. Wait for me here. Sir, are you little David's father?
Yeah, why do you ask that?
Your kid looks really down. I think you should check up on him.
Oh gosh, not this again.
David, are you alright?
No, please don't hurt me.
Sir, do you feel anything about your actions towards your own child? You know that every child should have their own rights to have fun and have a good education. They should know how to cooperate with other kids, and you cannot just force him to be here and sell all the lottery tickets. You know? Sophie, what do you think?
Well, to me, he isn't doing a good job. I think that you should apologize to him. Every child has the right to learn, eat, live, and have friends and play freely.
I'm sorry, David. I shouldn't have abused you. I abused you way too much. I should have let you go to school and make friends and do whatever you want. And I will let you do whatever you want, freedom, happiness, joy, and then let you eat whatever you want. I'm sorry, David.
No, it's alright. I know that you're carrying me and it's fine. Please don't sorry me.
I think you can go with your kid and have your own time. Please excuse us. So, what do you guys think about the father's action? Do you think that it's good? And to all the parents out there, if your kid is feeling down or have it show some signs with their physical health or mental health, please look out for them. Kids nowadays or both harmed physically and mentally. And this is our message, and we hope that you understand.
So, as you guys can see, at first the father was clearly wrong, abusing his child and not letting him eat or be free. And then after that, after Winnie, my friend, talked to him, he finally got his actions, and after that, he apologized to David, making him correct.
I hope that after our meaningful message and video, parents out there will understand their kid more. So, thank you for listening and watching our video. And once again, we are
Let us entertain you.
Bye bye!